Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore rankings with Ahrefs Backlink Audit Workflow, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Ahrefs account. Navigate to the Site Explorer tool. Enter your website URL into the search bar. Select the domain you want to analyze. Click on the Backlink Profile tab. From the sidebar, choose Anchors to review your incoming links. Examine the anchor text distribution for any suspicious patterns. Next, go to the Referring Domains section. Identify domains providing links to your site. Filter the list for any low domain authority or spammy sites. Select the backlinks that appear irrelevant or harmful. Click on the Backlinks tab to get a detailed view of these links. Review each backlink source for quality and relevance. Open the referring page and assess its content. If the content is spammy or unrelated, note it for disavowal. Now, return to the backlinks list and mark the ones to disavow. Next, compile your list of disavowed links in a text file. Format your disavow list according to Google's guidelines. Include only the links or domains intended for disavowal. Upload your disavow file to Google Search Console. Navigate to the Disavow Links tool within the console. Select your website and upload the disavow file. Monitor your site's performance for changes in rankings. After a few weeks, recheck the backlinks using Ahrefs. Repeat the audit process as needed for ongoing maintenance. Stay proactive in identifying and addressing harmful backlinks. This ensures your site maintains or improves its rankings over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.